Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. Today we're going to be making Minecraft using Gemini AI only. So I'm not going to be touching one line of code. I'm using 2.5 Pro and I've enabled the build mode. So I'm going to be asking it to make Minecraft. Simple prompt, nothing else, because I want to know how well it can understand and be able to answer or create what I'm saying. While this is doing, let us start the timer. As you can see, it popped up a side window for the code. That's kind of cool. I don't think it's using Three.js. It's pushed. Okay, yeah. I've never seen any code like this ever before. Okay, that was quick and it moved a bit the first second. So click to play. Okay, oh my god, this is crazy. Holy cow. The controls are, the left and right is inverted, but okay, I can't jump. Let's first tell it to fix the error. Okay, that's crazy for the first iteration. I mean, I might be overhyped, but this is like crazy for AI to do with just like this one single make Minecraft prompt. Okay, hopefully we don't have the error. Okay, we don't have the error, and okay, we can jump. Okay, jump is pretty high, but we can break blocks. Okay, I can't move now. Can I change and place? Okay, I can place blocks, and there's like shadow and everything, and like you have the grid. I mean, obviously you have the grid, and we can break. I mean, that's Minecraft for you guys. Can we break? Okay, we can't break down into the ground. I see. Okay, break a block. Let's see what it can do. We still have 7 minutes left on the timer. That's quite a lot left. Okay, it says it has fixed the error. Okay, once I break it, I can move it, and I can. Okay, I stopped moving once I tried breaking the ground, so I think maybe that's the issue. Okay, it says it has fixed the issues, so I cannot move at all. I mean, that's an issue with AI. If it's gonna change, it's gonna mess up whatever it has done so far. Okay, we're back to moving. Okay, we can move once we break the blocks. We can fall in, and we can move after we break all of that. Okay, now that we've got all of this, oh shoot, will I just keep falling down? I think we're just gonna keep falling down. I think we'll randomize world generation now. Let's see if it can do that. I mean, that's a lot of work, because it has to generate something called a Berlin noise and then map that to create the world and everything. Okay, I do not see the background and nothing is working. I mean, that's what happens with AI, guys. So I'm gonna ask, I can see all the starting text, but how much time do we have left? Okay, we have like 1.5 minutes. If it can fix it, that'll be good. If it doesn't, I have to figure out how to go to the previous working version of it. My apologies. And no difference at all. It didn't do anything, it's literally the same. Okay, it's not fixed, I think. I mean, what else do I say? I'm not gonna try to figure out what the problem is. It's supposed to do that. How much time? Okay, time's up. This is your last prompt. I don't think it'll fix it because it's thinking of it as a direction issue. Yeah, it didn't fix it. Okay guys, so this is the final version of the completed Minecraft world by Gemini. I mean, obviously it can't create like full on this thing within 10 minutes. But let me know what I should do next. Maybe I should create the next Spotify or the next Fortnite within 10 minutes. See you guys. Subscribe if you like this video. Support me. Okay, bye.